We both have bad taste in men.
We deserve better.
You deserve better.
I'm Savannah. I live my life the way I want to. I'm intense. When I love too much. He is L.A., Mr. Savior.
Kung matapos, tiwala ka sa akin.
Okay.
And he's my adventure. He is Vic, Mr. Sungit.
Kaya ako late eh. Nagdrama ka pa kagabi.
Nagdrama ka kagabi?
But he's my calm.
Power couple kayo dyan.
Such a slut.
Slut.
Vanna, are you falling in love with two men?
You will never be a mistake.
Here you are again, saving me.
The whole world needs to know na may lalaking seryoso at magmamahal sa'yo.
At ikaw yun?
From the breakout stars of 2025, Will Ashley, Dustin Yu, and Bianca De Vera, in a film by the highest-grossing MMFF director, May Cruz Albion.
Tama pa talagang dalawang negative.
Negative times negative. Positive.
Savannah, sa akin ang tingin.
Gusto mo na bang ituloy?
Ang alin?
Tayo.
Tayo?
Love you so bad.
Ano?
Mahal mo ko, Vanna?
Hirap na hirap sa buhay maganda.